First, you're going to need greeting cards, and you're going to cut it to the size that you want your bookmark to be. Next, you will get tape and laminate it so that it's nice and secure. Now, to make a design on the edge, you can use regular scissors, or if you have zigzag or curvy scissors. Take your hole puncher and place a hole at the top, in the middle, or on a corner. Now, take your ribbon and put through the hole that you just made. Make at least 2 knots, gently but tight. If you want to trim your ribbon, just cut it afterwards. And there you have it. You made a bookmark.